Hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am in my dining room taking my decor from Christmas to Valentine's. And I'm introducing something new to this space. If you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. So here's my dining room in its present state. Yes, I've been throwing things on this table, around this table, as I undecorate. Things that I have purchased over the holidays have found itself here. And yes, I am so ready to get these items packed away. So here I am. I have my bin, and we're getting busy at this point. I'm ready to reclaim my dining room space. You know it's getting serious when you pull your hair back, right? And here it is, most of the things packed away that was on my dining room table. I still have to pack away the things or the belongings that I had on the buffet, which was very small. But I am so happy to have this done. Now, if you have not packed away all of your Christmas decor, or you have some cleaning to do in your home, I hope you use this as cleaning motivation to get up and get moving right along with me. I love to view videos like this because it inspires me to do the same. Now, the last Christmas item that I need to remove in this area is this King of Christmas tree and these reindeer. Now, I do have a playlist of my Christmas Takedown, and the link of that playlist will be listed in my description box below. And if you love viewing videos like this, shopping hauls, product reviews, custom bills, and more, I would hope you would click that subscribe button and subscribe to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I would love for you to become a part of our blessed family. Now let's clean these floors, get all that flock and pine cleaned all up, and we will move on to decorating my dining room. And we will clean the dining room table and buffet. So right now we're going to start decorating. I am bringing in my tiered tray that I had purchased from Home Goods, and I'm going to start decorating my table with these beautiful chargers from Amazon. These beautiful plates are from Walmart. This drinkware is from a Z Gallery, and I decided to change them in the end, so you will see a switch. I'm bringing in 2 ginger jars. Both of them are from Home Goods. One in white, the larger one, and the smaller one is a black ginger jar. This candle holder seems to find itself here all the time. I found it thrifting. Now, in the middle of setting my table, my package arrived. So this portion of this video is being sponsored by Costway. Now, with me removing that Christmas tree, I needed something as a focal point in this corner. And it is this beautiful 5.3 feet artificial decorative tropical tree. This can be placed indoors as well as outdoors. This artificial tree is very realistic. It has 10 large leaves mixed with a deep green. This artificial plant truly mimics the real plant, and it gives you a real feeling when you touch it. No assembly is required. The artificial tree is ready to use. The only thing you need to do is to adjust the range of the leaves to get the realistic look that you want in your home. It is made of high quality polyester fabric. The leaves of the man-made plant tree is environmentally friendly and durable, which can support your long-term use. It also has a solid bottom pot that is very stable to maintain the upright support of this tree. Of course, with this being an artificial tree, it is easy to clean and care for. No watering is required, which this is what I love about it. To clean, all you need is a damp cloth to wipe on occasion. Perfect for indoors as well as out. Can be perfect for a living room, dining room, bedroom, wherever you would love it to be. So information about this artificial tree will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code which I will have listed here for 10% off on Costway. Thank you, Costway, for the opportunity to share this beautiful artificial tree with my blessed family. Now, as you can see, I grabbed a pot to elevate it a little higher up, and I'm loving it. I am absolutely loving it in this corner. This is the corner you see when you come into my home. So it definitely needed something special in this space. Now, I'm saving this area here that I'm showing inside the pot for later because I'm planning on doing a little decorating of that in the spring. So you're gonna have to come back and see what I do for it. But for now, I'm loving the simplicity of this plant right now. And that's what I'm really going for throughout my home. We have decorated our homes for Christmas to the nines, so I want simplicity in this space as well. Now here is my dining room, all set for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna look around and I hope you enjoy. Now, if you should have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and anything that I can link, you will find in the description box as well. Now, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of all uploads on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites. All of those social media sites will be listed in my description box down below. And if you love to shop, I have an Amazon store. That link will be listed as well, of beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. And if you are a faithful and returning blessed family member, you know I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.